Hi everyone, and welcome to another video. But before we start, I want to announce that I am making a website in which you find some cool exercises to improve and some simple explanation for Roblox's advanced stuff. And now enjoy. Alright everyone, this is what I made in just 5 minutes. It might look like a part, but not any part. Whenever the player touches this part, or a part similar to it, it will create another part which will lead to an endless walking. This is how it looks like so far. It's just walking in an endless path, but do you think that's all? No, of course. I decided to make a player selection randomly, so every time a player is selected to die. And I also tried to spawn a part that makes you sit. That's what I spend the rest 10 minutes on, fixing bugs and making the player selection. I spent the 10 minutes scripting and testing the random player selection, which took me some time to fix because I had some bugs. I made some mistakes while trying to spawn the player in a random location and making a part that will spawn in the recent path added to the game, so when a player is walking he can touch it by accident and sit or fall. After testing and fixing all of the stuff, this is the final result. But I noticed that the game will be fun when you are playing with people. It will always select you if you are playing alone. Do you think you can reach a high distance? I don't think so. The game is challenging, and I like the idea. It only took 15 minutes to make it. I recorded a gameplay of me and one of my friends. But after that some other friends joined, and by that time I finished recording. I hope the next time I record some of you guys in one of my future games. This is me and Birdie trying the game. It's really hard to reach a far distance, but it will be possible if there are many players in-game. For the next challenge I'll be making a meme game. Can you guys write your ideas in the comments? I'll read them all and select the most fun ones to add. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I will leave a link in the description for the game and our Discord server. Feel free to join. And now stay safe and eat well.